Hey, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about eyebrows. Yes, we're going to talk about I'm 63, and man, I used to have the best brows, but now, I don't. And this is where we're at with it. Now, at least I got some hair. They're very sparse though now. So I want to show you a little trick that really made a difference in the way my eyebrows looked. And it made it look so much more lifted. And so it did kind of open up my face. And so, you know what? I want you to learn how to do it. So come on with me. Let's do it together. Y'all ready? Look at this. I already did one eye just so that you could see what we're after. Okay, isn't that cool? It looks so natural, so pretty, and it's perfectly balanced, and it lifts this side of my eye, okay? So we are going to use RMS. And I have a dark one, and I have, this is the medium. And I think I'm going to use the medium today because I am going to use Younique's. Oh my gosh, this is a fiber gel for your brows, girlfriends. Yes, it is. It's wonderful. It really is. But the first thing we have to do is learn how to do this technique. So let me show you what you need to do. You're going to take, this is the medium color, and we're just going to comb our hairs down. We're going to comb it down. Just like that, okay? Then we're going to take this. I could use the dark. Let's use the dark one because it is longer and it may work better. Go across, right across here, up to here. And you're going to put a little dot there. See that dot? Perfect. Now you can actually see it. You know, when we get older, things like that go away. We don't need that. So now what we're going to do is take this and listen now, if you really need to shape your brows, do that first. You could go and get some wax. You could lay that down, take it, tear it off. I know that sounds scary, but if you went to the salon, that's what they would do. So make sure that they're all clear under here. No hairs or anything like that. That's exactly what I did. I made sure I could get it all in line, okay? That way, when I start here, I'm going to create my little line right through here, right up to that dot. Yes, it looks like Spock, doesn't it? Yeah. But, you know, this is a great way to learn how to do this. It really is. And what I did from here is you're going to have a little bit of a tail. So there's where we are. And then we're just going to kind of bring this down just a tad. And does it look even to you? I think it looks even. And then what I like to do is kind of fill in through here. Now you can fill it in like I'm doing. You could draw a line across there because we are going to, you know, fluff this back up. But I do love to kind of get it where I need it to be. And then I like to look at it and see, are these the same? Pretty much they are. I mean, I don't have any hair here, but guess what? When we get to that point, we're going to use the Younique product, and that's going to be a game changer for sure. Now we're going to go ahead and comb this back up, just like this. And don't be heavy-handed, okay? Just kind of brush it upward. I love it. No brows to brows. I love it. So I am going to take, I got the color medium, but I really want to use the dark. Okay, so I'm going to use the dark color. The reason I like to use the dark color is my hair is naturally dark. I like being a blonde, but hey, you know, it is what it is. So let me show you what I do. This has little fibers in it. See it? It's got like brushes in here and then brushes across the top. I like to use that little part that goes down. And this is what I do. You be really light-handed. Don't get in a hurry to do this because you'll get mad at yourself. I had to learn how to do this. And take your time. Don't get in a rush. Now, once you become a professional at it, girlfriend, you can just and go. Now we have to let this dry, and I usually let it dry. It takes about maybe 3 minutes to let it dry. So I'm going to come back, and then we're going to finish this up. It's that easy. Now it's dry, and we're going to use the end of the spoolie here, and we're just going to kind of comb upward. Real light. Don't be heavy-handed. You don't want to mess anything up. And if you feel like you need to come back and add just a little bit, you can. I don't think I really need to add anything. I may add just right across here because I do like that line to go right up to where that dot was. Look at that. And you can always come through here and just flip it upward like that. Look at that. Ah! Yay! I know. Just the little things in life, right? So I'm going to use NYX. Now this is dual-ended. One side is shiny and one side is matte. I like the matte side. And you can get this at Walmart, or you can get it. I'll link everything below though that I have used. And you draw this across here, and it really does kind of give you that nice little line going there. You hear my doggy? Yes, I think his daddy may have driven up. Oh no, it's the budget guy going across the road. It's so cold here right now. Oh my goodness, we are getting in the Arctic freeze for sure. And my dogs haven't been out. It's not even, the sun's not even out. It's kind of gloomy. Look at that. You see, take a little brush like this and just smooth it out. And look what you've done. You created it. You did it. Yes, yes, yes. I love this technique. I really do. And I sat down and I tried it and tried it and tried it. And once I added the Younique product, that really kind of made it, because it gave me to where I look like I have hairs there. It looks very natural and I love it. So I hope you have learned something. I hope you give it a try. Try it with what you have, and if you want to grab some of these products, you can grab some of these products also. And please like and share and click that notification bell. I'm here on Sundays only, and I love it when you come and hang out with me, okay? So go do your brows, girlfriend, okay? Love you. I'll see you next Sunday.